Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. And the factory reset could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, or maybe you want to sell it, give it away to somebody. Anything that would require you to disconnect your watch from your phone and wipe the data out of it. Also, you could try to use it as a fix for some stuff, but it's like a last resort thing, because if you reset your watch, you lose your data and settings from your watch, so be aware of that. Okay, so let's get started. And to factory reset through the app, you need to find the HONOR Health application on your phone that is paired with your watch. Tap on the icon to open it, then tap on Device, and here you should see HONOR Watch X5i on the list of devices. Select it, then scroll down and look for the Restore Factory Settings. Tap on it, tap on OK, and wait. The watch will disappear from the device page. It will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the reset is complete. Like this. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.